I'm going to teach you how to collect Mote audio responses in Google Forms. Start by opening your Google form so you're in the editing view. You'll see your form canvas in the center and a vertical toolbar along the right side. To add a new prompt for audio responses, click the Add Question button, the plus icon at the very top of that right side toolbar. This creates a new question card in the main area of your form. Click directly inside that new question card to start typing your prompt. Keep the wording clear and action-oriented so respondents know exactly what to do. For example, you might write, "Please submit your response as a Mote audio recording." You can customize the phrasing to fit your audience or assignment, but the key is to let people know you're expecting a Mote link rather than typed text. Next, adjust the question type to short answer. You'll find the question type drop-down on the right side of the question card. It might default to multiple choice. Open the drop-down and select Short Answer. This is important because it gives respondents a single text field where they can paste the URL to their Mote recording. Short Answer keeps things simple and helps ensure your responses are consistent and easy to review. If you'd like to add more context, use the optional title and description tool. On the right side toolbar, click the Add Title and Description icon. It's the fourth icon in that list. A description field will appear where you can include helpful instructions such as, record your answer using Mote and paste the link in the box above. This is a great place to clarify expectations, like the kind of response you want, any time limits you've set in your rubric, or reminders to make the Mote link accessible to anyone who needs to view it. To make sure you don't miss any responses, you can also make this question required. Look to the bottom right corner of the question card and toggle the required switch on. When enabled, respondents won't be able to submit the form until they've pasted their Mote link, which helps you maintain complete submissions and saves time following up later. That's it. You've created a clear, link-friendly question that collects Mote audio responses directly in Google Forms. Your form saves changes automatically, so once you've set the prompt, chosen short answer, optionally added a description, and decided whether to require it, you're ready to move on to the rest of your form. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you gather richer, voice-based feedback with ease.